Have you ever wondered why copywriting is such a hot skill these days? Well, you are lucky because that is exactly what we are diving into today. From social media posts to website content, businesses everywhere are craving good copy. Join us as we uncover the reasons behind the skyrocketing demand for copywriting. Whether you are an experienced writer or just curious about the buzz, stick around to learn why copywriting is such a high demand skill. Let's get started.
Why it is an in-demand skill, why people want to learn copywriting, and why companies are hiring more and more copywriters. So here I have mentioned the answer that why it is in demand so much. So first of all, marketing and advertising. So as we know that in marketing and advertising, copywriting is very important, because in marketing and advertising, obviously you want to influence the people to take any kind of preferred action, right? Be it is purchasing the product, be it is signing a lead form, or be it is signing for a newsletter, right? But in marketing or advertising, obviously you want your audience to take action. And how you can do that? Using copywriting. Then online presence. Obviously, if you are a new brand or if you are a growing brand, obviously you need to make an online presence, and copywriting can help you to make your online presence, or for make your clients online presence. That's why copywriting is very important, because with copywriting you are grabbing your audience's attention, right? And this is the power that content writing doesn't have. Content writers or content writing can't attract the users like copywriting, right? The third point is search engine optimization. If you are a SEO, obviously you can do copywriting in SEO as well, because there are many ways in SEO, or there are many places where you ask your readers to do any kind of action. Maybe it can be signing for a newsletter, maybe it can be signing for a lead form. But in copywriting is also, in copywriting in SEO, copywriting is also important. Then the fourth point is conversion rate optimization. Obviously, if you are running an ad, or if you are running just a social media campaign, conversion rate could become better if you are using copywriting properly, because obviously it helps your readers, or it helps you to influence your readers to take any certain action. And obviously if the user is taking action, then definitely your conversion rate will get optimized and you will get better conversion rate. And fifth point is brand messaging. Whatever the message you want to convey to your customers as a brand, copywriting can do that, right? Whether it is a slogan or any kind of brand image you want to create, copyright can help you to do that. And lastly, adaptable skill. Copywriting is very adaptable skill. More and more people are learning copywriting. Even the business owners are learning copywriting, because it is very adaptable, right? The adaptability of this skill is making it in more demand. Now I hope you understood why copywriting is very in demand skill, right? Now we are going to talk about